Hey guys, I haven't seen you in a long time because I'm extremely sick and I'm dying. But whatever, because Animal Jam just updated and that's just so important. It's more important than me. How fantastic. Anyways, Animal Jam updated and that's very exciting. Yippee. So we're gonna go and review that. Okay, let's go. So, this. I want it so badly. Oh my god. If you look at it. It's so expensive, just like the rest of them. But I am so poor. That's fantastic. Anyways, horned owls. Owl, blah, blah, blah. They look like the old owls. Where are they? Here, I'll find them. I will find them one of these days. Hold on. I'm gonna find it. Such a noob. Oh my god. I want it so badly. Okay. Where is it? Okay, there it is. It looks like the owl, but it's great. You see? Okay. Let's finally get into the update. Great horned owls. Wow. They're fantastic. Yippee. That's so beautiful. I love them. Pet Arctic foxes. Oh, what? I can't buy it. I am just beautiful. Is there anything new here? Oh my god, there is. Oh my god. OMG. Oh my. Yes, but as always, I am poor. Let's keep reading. And then the daily Jamaldi gifts. Oh wait, by the way, the Jamaldi gift, look at it. It is non-member. This is the best. Oh yes, it's non-member. Everyone can have every single jammer. Even if you're a noob, you can have it today. You can be rich. It's so good. You know what else is good? This. It's so great. But I'm poor. Wow. Okay. Back to the news. Coming soon. New. What? New? I haven't heard that word in ages in this game. I need it so badly. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay. It's a little reminder that this adventure exists. Yay. 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 And that's all news. Okay, so we've gone over the expensive update that I can't buy, which makes me sad. I wanna buy things in the update, but I can't. So what we will do is go here, and we're gonna go buy the item that is in here. Oh my god, it looks so good. I really want it, but just stare at this purse. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay. Let's just say it doesn't exist, because I'm jealous of it. Okay. So now we're gonna go find the super special secret item. Come on. I don't want to take a year to find it. Oh gosh, I'm lagging. Oh. Okay. I can find it together, kids. Oh my god, I'm lagging so badly. I know we can do it. I know we can. Is there a snowy wheelbarrow or something? I don't know. We're gonna find it, I swear. How about this gingerbread table thingy? No, it's new though. I've never seen it before. How about this thing? What's that? I don't know. That's not it. That, no. Where is it? What's this person saying? Oh, I think I found it. I found it. Rare. Whoa. It's rare. I've never seen one of these that are rare. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, that's nice. It's fantastic. Oh my god, it's so good. I have to buy it. Okay, so guys, it's so expensive, but here it is. It's rare. I've never seen like a rare one of these. That is so cool. Let's go put it in our den. Put it in our den in all its glory. It's fantastic. Wow. Oh my god, it really is rare. I've never seen one of those rare. Oh my god. Great. Where am I gonna put this? We can put it right here. Perfect, on the chimney. So Santa won't be able to slide in. Oh my god, it's so perfect. Yes. It's like a little jump scare. I can spook you with my spookiness. Anyways, we can decorate our tree now that there's nice ornaments. I'm gonna decorate my beautiful tree. This, yeah, we're gonna find some nice colors too. Some of that, some of that, some of that, some of that, and some of that, and some of that. Oh my god, I'm wasting my money quickly. Okay, you know what, that's enough for now. Too much. Oh yes. Perfect. Let's decorate our beautiful tree. Oh my goodness. Sigh, I'm such a failure. Okay, perfect. This tree is gonna look so beautiful after. Wow. Ooh, nice. So nice. Then I'm gonna buy some of those other ornaments that I saw. Wow. Some of these things. Like 3 of those. And then, like, we're gonna find green. And 3 green. Nice. Okay, now that we have the perfect stuff, we can put it in this beautiful tree. Oh, that is nice. We're even gonna turn it around a little bit. We're gonna turn some of them. Ay, ay, ay. This is not a failure, I swear. Okay, it's perfect. What else can we do? Is the Jamali Jam please be on? No. This is so sad. I have to wait an hour. Wanna wait an hour with me? No? Okay. Well, in the meantime, I can put on my other ornament that I have and eat a nugget. Come on, lag. Work with me. Great. Perfect. I'm gonna put this on the very top. I'm gonna stab it. That's nice. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Very top we have the best ornament. Okay. Can I do anything that's actually related to this? I can't buy that because I'm so poor. Can't buy that because I'm so poor. I already did that. I'm excited for the Winter Den. I will be sure to upload a video about the new Winter Den when it's out, if I can afford it. And hopefully I can. I'm just so sad. I want my daily spin. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this really weird update video. It wasn't really an update video, but I made a very beautiful tree. You can buy the great horned owls because they're so great. And if you haven't already, you can buy a pet Arctic fox. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.